switching to the telephoto?
Storytelling. A simple word that means so much. Stories come in all shapes and sizes.
Got the shot. Let's keep moving.
For some of us, we live to capture these stories.
Hold on. I want to get this shot.
Moments in time that we can return to over and over again. What if you had the perfect tool to help tell your story? Something that works with you. Something that feels like an extension of your ideas. We set out to accomplish just that. The Chronicle is made by creators for creators.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.